Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to generate a random IMEI number for Samsung Galaxy A36. Okay, so let's begin. So basically first you need to open up your browser and type the IMEI.info and get into this page. Now in here, in this window, you need to type your IMEI number and then click on the blue button, check IMEI. Now we want to scroll down a little bit. Also in here we have the basic information about our phone. Now we scroll down again a little bit until we find the basic checks free. And the third option is the random IMEI generator. So let's click on it. And now this blue button, generate random IMEI. Okay, as you can see now the page generated for us the 10 IMEI numbers. We can, by clicking it right in here, we can copy each one of them, or by clicking copy all IMEIs, they will automatically copy as all. And when you click on now on this blue button, you can also generate IMEI for other brands. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.